Hello, and welcome to this quick and easy guide showing you how to cross-chain swap any token into Linea with WOOFi. What I'm going to do is first of all connect my wallet in the top right corner. Now I'm using MetaMask, so I'll select that option, but note that all major wallets are supported. And boom, I'm connected. What I'm going to do firstly is choose my source chain from this drop-down list. The source chain is just the chain where you currently have your assets located that you want to move into Linea. Now for me, that's Arbitrum. So I'm going to choose Arbitrum and switch networks. And you'll see here that WOOFi confirms I'm now connected to Arbitrum. I want to bridge in ETH. ETH is already selected, which is super convenient. But if I want to cross-chain swap other tokens, I just have to look in this drop-down list here. Or I could paste the token address in this bar here. And I choose Linea as my destination chain. Thankfully, it's already pre-selected. And I want to bridge my ETH for more ETH on Linea. So I'm not going to change this, though note that I could bridge into USDC as well. I'm going to type in 0.015 as the amount of ETH that I'd like to bridge. The choice is entirely yours. And at this point, most of the legwork is done. All we do is click swap. It's confirming I'm going to bridge ETH from Arbitrum into ETH on Linea. It will take about 2 minutes. All I need to do is click confirm swap. A pop-up notification will appear in my MetaMask right here. I'm going to confirm, and boom, it will take approximately 2 minutes for that ETH to arrive in Linea.